Hi, welcome to Flannel Board Fun. I'm Wendy and I've got something special that is perfect for your next circle time or story time. Stick around to see all the ways that felt boards can keep kids engaged, learning, and having fun. Are you ready? Let's play. Ooh, I've got something special today. Something round and bouncy. Can you think of something that's round and bouncy? Yes, it is. It's more than just one ball. I have many balls. Let's count and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't fall, green one, and 6. I have 6 colorful balls, and they're all different sizes too. Small, medium, and big. We'll have to do some rhyming about this. Now, we're also going to do a little bit of moving because these, balls like to move. They like to bounce, right? Balls can be bounced. Can you kind of bounce, or you could pretend you're bouncing a ball like this, or you could just bounce your body like that. And another way we might move these balls today is rolling them like this. Can you roll your arms? Yes, perfect. So we'll be bouncing and rolling these balls, but we won't do it inside. What's an outside place that we could bounce and toss and roll these balls? Do you know an outside place? Yes, a playground. Perfect. Okay, put on your hat and make sure you have your shoes on because we're going outside. And let's go on to the playground. Here we are. Are you ready? It goes like this. I'll teach it to you and then you can join in as soon as you know the words and the tune. Let's start with a small red ball. We'll call it little. One little red ball, okay? One little red ball is bouncing on the playground, bouncing on the playground, bouncing on the playground. One little red ball is bouncing on the playground, bouncing, 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 bouncing. Toss. Did you toss yours? You gotta toss it. That's another word for throw. Oh, nice. Okay. Red ball has been bounced and tossed. Let's do a medium yellow ball. The color of a banana, isn't it? Yep. All right, one medium yellow ball, and this time we'll roll it. One medium yellow ball is rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground. One medium yellow ball is rolling on the playground, rolling, 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 rolling. Stop. Ooh, I stopped that one from rolling. I grabbed it. Let's put it up here with the red one. Okay, we've done a small red and a medium yellow. Let's do a big ball this time. Which one of these is a big one? Yes, purple and blue. I'll choose the blue. Ooh, how should we move this big blue ball? We did some bouncing and some rolling. Should we go back to bouncing? Okay. One big blue ball. Oh, wait. Let's do a pretty big voice and bigger movements because it's a big ball. Ready? One big blue ball is bouncing on the playground, bouncing on the playground, bouncing on the playground. One big blue ball is bouncing on the playground, bouncing, 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 bouncing. Toss. Whoa, that was such a big toss. It went all the way to the other yard across the street. That was a big one. All right, we've done one small, one medium, one big. Let's do one more. Let's do a small one, the color of broccoli. Yes, the green small one. Okay, these two are just taking a nap. So we've got our small one. We did 2 bouncing and 1 rolling. Let's do one more rolling. These two are the rollers. But this time, since it's little, let's do our little voice and just roll our fingers, and we'll do rolling, 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 rolling. Are you ready? One little green ball is rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground. One little red ball. Whoop, it's not red, it's green. Let's go back. One little green ball is rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground, rolling on the playground. One little green ball is rolling on the playground, rolling, 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 rolling. Stop. I stopped it. I put it up there with its friends. Oh, that was fun rolling and bouncing and singing. Thank you very much. I hope you liked that one. And librarians and teachers, if you are interested in more felt boards that are jam-packed with all kinds of early learning and fun packed inside, check out my website. The link is down below. It's flannelboardfun.com. See you soon.